Why is it so difficult to work with colors? If you are a UI UX designer, you are well aware of the importance of color. You know that sometimes creating the right color palette becomes a daunting task. But why? Because you need to know how to create a great color combination and how to apply it to your design. If you have no idea how to do that and you are struggling with creating amazing color schemes, don't worry, you are in the right place. Hi, I'm Arash Ahadzadeh and I'm a UI UX designer. I also teach UI and UX design at the University of Economics and Human Sciences in Warsaw. And in this course, you and I are gonna walk through all the details about colors. We will start with the most basic fundamentals of color and then move on to advanced topics like color harmonies, color psychology, and so much more. If you're one of those people who think creating a great color palette requires talent and artistic skills, it's probably time to change your mindset because color is all about science. Yes, you heard it right. When you learn the science behind colors, you can easily come up with your own harmonious color palette in no time. In addition to creating color palettes, you will also learn how to apply colors to your design, no matter if it's a website or an application. Moreover, we will talk about the importance of color accessibility in UI UX design, and you will learn how to create beautiful and accessible color palettes through simple exercises. Last but not least, I'll share with you some personal tips and tricks for working with colors that accelerate your design process dramatically. This course is designed to give you the theoretical and practical skill sets required to choose and apply colors properly. It also helps you become a more confident and better designer just by practicing different techniques. So if you are ready to master color and create amazing color schemes, I'll see you in class.